G'day guys, quick video today. I just thought I'll show you this motion sensor LED bulb that I purchased from Temu, and I've actually been using this and it's actually pretty good. So I thought I'll share it on the channel quickly. I ended up buying this from Temu for only $5. Actually, it was a bit under $5. Let's just say it cost me about $5, and I went for the highest brightness option, which is a 12-watt bulb. You can get the 5, 7 and 9 from the vendor that I purchased from, but you only probably save what, $1 here or there, you know. But yeah, $5 Australian, and I thought I'll try it out. And I've actually used this for the past couple of nights, and yeah, it works perfect. Now on the side of the box here, it just tells you about the energy rating there, A+. So it says high sensitivity, high brightness and low consumption, suitable for your corridor, pathway, stairs, garden and yard. Now I've got this set up right at the front of the house, near the front door, just at the front of the garage actually, shining onto the driveway. So yeah, I wanted something bright, and that was a motion sensor bulb, just in case, you know, in the middle of the night there's someone trying to sneak around and maybe break into the cars. So yeah, thought I'll try it out. Anyway guys, I was actually surprised because this only cost me roughly $5, just under $5. So I thought I'll go onto the Bunnings Warehouse website. Now if you're Australian, you know what Bunnings Warehouse is. It's our big chain of hardware stores here, and to my shock, they're selling the 8-watt bulb, very similar to this. It is a Philips brand, for $28. I'll put a screen recording up quickly. $27.95 I think it was, $28. So yeah, I mean, it is a Philips brand. This is a no-name brand, but yeah, still that's quite a bit for pretty much the same thing. So yeah, I could get about half a dozen of these for the price of one at my local Bunnings. So anyway, it's self-explanatory guys, it's just a bulb. It is of plastic construction like most LED bulbs these days. It screws straight into the E27 socket base, very common socket, and I've gone for the 6500 Kelvin brightness there. Okay, so I went for the highest brightness I could get for this particular the bulbs that they're selling on Temu. And yeah, there's the motion detection infrared sensor on the bottom. So I'll show you exactly how sensitive it is. I'm going to screw this in now to the front light socket there, just at the front of the driveway, and we'll come back and I'll show you tonight when it gets dark how bright this is and how sensitive it is. It works really good guys. So I'll leave a link in the description below and you can check it out yourself if you want to get a few of these. So yeah, let's go have a look at how it works. Okay guys, I'm going to do a test of the motion detection bulb. I'm about halfway down my driveway. Okay, got the street light just there, got my car in the driveway, and you'll see this pick me up as I walk towards the car. Look at that guys, pick me up straight away. I'm about 10 meters away, actually a little bit over 10 meters away. Look how bright that is. Lights up the whole front of the house. Excellent, that's what you want. As you can see, towards the end of the driveway there, I was just in front or behind that caravan near the letterbox, and that will stay on as long as there's motion, and then when there's no motion it will shut off. Lights up extremely well. I'm very happy with it, especially for only around $3 compared to some of the more expensive brands at my local hardware store. Can't go wrong. Okay, I'm just waiting for it to time out. There you go. So after about 30 seconds of inactivity, of no motion detection, it'll turn off. So it's on a timer. It's towards it. Now sensor ain't facing this direction, but once I got in front of it, it got me straight away. It's because it's on a angle towards the car. That's how I've got it facing. Yeah, pretty happy with it, guys. Nice and bright, and does the job well. Just zoom out there. Really good. So anyway, guys, that wraps up this video. If you want to get one of these motion detection infrared light bulbs yourself from Temu, I'll leave a link in the description. Go check it out. I give it a 2 thumbs up. Can't go wrong, especially when you can spend up to 10 times that at my local Bunnings store here in Australia. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you on the next video.